Our first example reads, why you wore that shirt with those pants is baffling to me. So I'm going to find my noun clause, which is sitting right here. Why you wore that shirt with those pants. And then once again, I want to make sure I identify what it actually is doing in the sentence. Well, my main sentence sitting out here is baffling to me. And so this must be its subject. So when I build this one, I'm going to make sure I have room in the front because I know that my subject's going to have to end up being up on a tree. So my verb is here, is. Baffling is one of those things where I'm going to treat it like a verb. And I think that's a smart choice. It is confusing to me. So is baffling. You can also then, if you wanted to slant the line and say it is strange to me, you can treat baffling like it's an adjective if you want to. Yeah, I think I might like that. I think I might just change that on the fly and make that into an adjective and maybe say, hey, is this thing sort of like an adjective? Like say it is strange to me. So is baffling to me. All right, and then I get up here to my noun clause. I'm going to go a little higher. My tree's getting a little wavy up there. And then when I get up here, I have a subject and a verb. And I'm going to go ahead and start filling in some of those things. So my verb is wore. And I like doing that first. The reason I like doing that first is once I find my verb, I can go back and find my subject. And that gives me that sense of you being my subject, and I don't have to worry about the word why. I'm going to save why for the end. So why you wore what? I'm wearing a direct object, shirt, Jeffrey. Sorry, I'm talking to myself. So here we go, shirt. And then we can have these little adjectives. It's going to be that shirt. We talked about earlier that the word that is just, in this case, just a determiner. It's that shirt. It's not anything special like an expletive. And then we'd say it's that shirt and you wore it with those pants. So it's not a shirt with the pants, but you wore it with those pants. I'm going to say with pants, those pants. So I can squeeze that in there without making it look too messy. Here's that word with. Here's pants, those pants. All right, and then lastly is this word why. Well, the word why is an adverb question. What did I just push here? What is that? Sorry, I think I pushed the wrong thing, so I'm gonna go over here. There we go. So the word why is an adverb, and so I have to make it look like an adverb, and an adverb should touch the verb. So the word why should touch this verb, and not the verb down here, but the verb up here. This is my noun clause, and so it introduces that noun clause. So that word why has to sit up here. So I'm going to say why, like that. Perfect. Labeling the pattern, it's all established down here because this is where your main sentence is. So here's a subject, here's a to-be verb, and an adjective. So the way I diagrammed it, what is that thing I just drew there? I diagram mine as a pattern 2. I treat it like a pattern 2. If you treat it as baffling as one big verb, then yours is going to be a 6. But I looked at it as being an adjective. It's like saying it is weird to me, it is strange to me, that sort of thing. So that's how I looked at mine, pattern 2. All right, that's all. Move on.